Hello, dear friends and foodies of the world. It's me, Shalini, and I welcome you to my kitchen, Shalini's Cozy Nook. I am super excited to share the recipe of a beet hummus with you all. It's my favorite go-to dip, and I'm sure it will become your favorite too soon. It's creamy, tasty, and a million times better and healthier than mayonnaise. We need a food processor or a mixer grinder jar to make this. To this, drop in 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, 1 large beetroot that is cooked. I steamed it for 10 to 12 minutes after dicing it to pieces like this. Just pulse these two ingredients for a few seconds. Now we can add the remaining ingredients. Add 2 cloves of garlic, 1 green chilli, handful of soaked cashews. I soaked them in warm water for 30 minutes. 1 tablespoon of soaked sesame seeds. This is also soaked in warm water for 30 minutes. 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of sumac. This is optional. I like the tangy flavor of sumac in this dip. Add salt to your taste. Now let's blend all these ingredients to a smooth, creamy paste. And that's it, friends. Our beet hummus is ready. You can use this dip for breads, veggie sticks, or even as a sandwich spread. Feel free to experiment with different spices to give your own twist to the recipe. And comment below your favorite go-to dip. Thanks for tuning to today's recipe. See you soon.